Good evening everyone. Ito naman si Sir Ayan nagbabalik. So, ang ating problem ngayong gabi is problem solving involving vertical distance between 2 points on the Cartesian coordinate plane. So, this is Mathematics 8. So, supportahan natin. Alright, so let's go na tayo. So, define muna natin what is vertical distance. So the vertical distance between 2 points in the difference of their y coordinates. So let us ignore the x coordinate. Kasi last time, i-ignore natin yung y coordinates. So this time, we're going to ignore the x coordinate because we are on the vertical distance. Last time, nasa horizontal distance tayo, which is the x-axis. Ngayon, dito tayo sa y-axis or y coordinates. So vertical distance formula. So this is the absolute value of y sub 2 minus y sub 1. Okay, this is our distance or vertical distance formula. Example number 1. Points A. Okay, points A that is 4 and 7 and B that is 4 and negative 2. Okay, as you remember, so this is our x. Okay, x sub 1, this is y sub 1. Okay, this is x sub 2, and this is our y sub 2. So if you're going to like that, so notice that x coordinates are the same 4, right? So parehas silang 4. So vertical distance, that is 7 minus negative 2. So that is equivalent to 7 plus 2. That is equivalent to 9. Right? So, bakit siya naging 7? So, balikan natin yung ating uh, topic last time. So, pag sinabi natin absolute value, so wala siyang negative because we are referring on the distance from 0 to 7. Okay, example, this is our number line. Okay, number line. Okay, this is 0. Okay, 0 ito ha. So, example, this is negative 4. Okay, negative 4. So, negative 4. So, hindi siya maging negative yung answer natin. But, magiging 4. Right? Kasi, we are referring on the distance from 0 to 4. So, ilan siya? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, therefore, ang layo ng negative 4 sa 0 is 4. So, that's why, ang absolute value natin is 4. So, dito, we have 7 minus negative 2. So, therefore, that is 7 plus 2. That is equivalent to 9. Right? So, tatanggalin natin. Okay, so the vertical distance between A and B is 9 units. Okay, next. Problem number 2. In a building plan, the ground floor is represented by the point G, which is 2 and 0. And the top of the elevator shaft is T, which is 2 and 15. So the vertical distance is equivalent to y minus 0. Bakit y? Okay. So as you observe, balikan natin. This is x sub 1, y sub 1. This is x sub 2, and this is y sub 2. So what is our formula kanina? So we have distance natin is equivalent to absolute value of y sub 2 minus y sub 1. So therefore, 15, which is this one, okay, 15, which this is our y sub 2. Tama, kasi nandito siya. Ito siya, oh. Tapos, ang y sub 1 natin is 0. So therefore, you subtract it by 0. So, still, our answer, our units is 15. Kasi 0 yung subtract natin. Right? So, this one. Okay, next. Number 3 problem. A bird is flying at a point of F, which is negative 3 and 20, while a tree top is at point P, which is negative 3 and 12. Okay, how to solve this one? Right? So, ganun na ba yung process? 1, so the vertical distance is 20 minus 2, right? So, 20 minus 2, 12, rather. So 20 minus 12, that is, okay, which is, the answer is 8. Okay. Pwede rin siya baliktad. Pwede rin siya baliktad. So, mahimo siya. Gagawin natin. So, this is 12 minus 20. Okay. Sabi kanina, kasi ang ano natin is, ito yung ating formula eh. 1. Okay. Which is dapat, ito is si y sub 1 and si y sub 2. So, pwede naman. So, gawin natin. Example. So, 12 minus 20. Okay. Since this is absolute value, so dapat ang answer natin dyan is negative 8. Okay. So, negative 8 dapat. Pero, we are referring on the absolute value. Ang distance niya dapat from 0 to 8. So, therefore, the answer is 8. Okay. So, nakuha. So, the bird is 8 units higher than the treetop. Okay. Next. Can you answer this one? A diver starts at a point D, which is negative 5 and negative 2 underwater, and then rises to point S, which is negative 5 and 6 near the surface. Question: what is the vertical distance traveled by a diver? Okay, can you comment your answers below? Sige, tayin ko ha. So, thank you so much for your cooperation sa konting oras na binigay nyo sa akin. Sa muli, so this is Sir Ian Viloria or Sir V. So, please like and share my Facebook and YouTube account. So, palaguin natin, palakihin natin para makita din ng ibang nahihirapan sa mathematics. So, okay, hanggang sa muli. So, this is Sir Ian Viloria. Daghang salamat.